welcome back. Today we will see how we can draw a watering can in Solidworks. I have used different commands. Some are a little advanced, some are very basic commands like extrude and sweep and loft. So let's see how I modeled this in Solidworks step by step. So first of all, I will go back and what I've drawn. First I have made a simple circle sketch on a top plane, and then I have extruded that up to the desired length with 2 degrees of a draft in this, so it will give a proper shape to the can or can-like shape. Then I have made some planes in angle. Basically, I have made 3 planes. 3 planes. Angle. To make a spout out of it. So basically, what I have did, I have made this sketch, this black sketch first, and then I have made planes along with it. So I have selected the sketch and the point to make the planes at the desired point, and then on that plane I have made the sketches, this circle, then another circle, and there's a bigger circle. So you can see the lowest profile, this is made on the plane 1, the mid profile is made on the plane 3, draw on the plane 3, and the upper profile draw on the plane 2. So the center line I have used as a sweep command for the sweep also, and also used for the reference to the creation of the planes. Then so we go in the spout or loft command. Then I have selected 1, 2, 3 different sketches to make a loft in between, and selected one guide in between, center line, the guide to make a loft. So this is the loft you can see over here. Then I have made a sketch to cut the top face of the spout to make it open to pour out the water outside. So it's opening for the water, so I have made a extrude of a face, so it will cut the top face of the spout. So it's, you can see it's cut outside, so all cut outside. It is cut above. Then I use a dome command, so I have selected the face, top face of the cylinder, the tapered cylinder which I have drawn, and then we can use how much dome you need to have. I can use also 1 inch, it will go a little bit more bigger, so it's up to you how much you like. Then to have an opening to pour water inside, we need to split the top face. So to do that I have made a sketch on the bottom face of the cylinder, because on the top face it is a dome, so you don't have a reference to draw a sketch. So I have used a flat face and draw a simple sketch which will be like an opening for put the water inside the top face. So you can use the split line command. Then I have selected the sketch and the face which you need to split, and now you can see you can select two different faces. Currently still you have the face over here, but it is splitted in two different uh, selection. You can select two different faces, so it is easier to for next operation to delete that. Then next operation is very simple. You have added some fillets to look it more ergonomically good, or then added a variable fillet over here. It's more for the design for machining or design for manufacturing kind of thing, because on the top side you need a bigger radius to hold and this spout. And then finally I have shelled it, and by removing the top surface, so you can see if I go inside, then I have selected number of faces over here to this face, these 2-3 faces over here, and let's say 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is this. So now it's open from inside, shelled from inside, and equally distance. You can also make bottom more thick, is also possible. I think I already told you in my another videos that you can make a variable shell, then go inside and multi thickness shell, and go bottom, then you can select so 2, so maybe it's some now you can see this is shell below, and I need to create the handle. To create the handle, I have created the plane, where I created the two plane. I have made a sketch for the sweep command. You can see this sketch is made on this plane. Like this, one sketch, a closed sketch, and one is open guide. You can see, so this is a guide, a path, and this is a profile, and the path, like a handle. And then there are some faces came inside. You can see maybe in the section view it came inside, so by using the delete face I have removed those. See, they are over here too. You can see there are some faces came inside, then deleted that face out, then added a fillet to fill the gap was created due to the sweep. But this is very simple. You can draw any shape. You can draw a square one, you can draw a little bit bigger, without spout, with spout, and many things. Thank you.